guys, oh, ang biyabas. So ayan to ni. Kuha lang to ni murag mga itom-itom. Pero lamig siya. Ping siya huwag ka ng kuhan. Kanang unod. No? Tamis. May kayo. Miyaw eh. May kayo. Ano ni kalami og na kay farming. Ay bisag unsa may mo pwede itanom. Tanom kag mga fruit bearings, mga prutas. So instead mamalit ka sa market, dili na kay na kay mga tanom, mga na kay kanang banana. Anytime pwede ka maglungag. Na kay gabi, na kay kanang biyabas, anytime pwede ka mukao, na kay atis, na kay giant lumboy, na padug kay kanang lansones, na pa kay rambutan, na kay saging, na kay coconut tree, mango tree. Pwede pa ni punan mo bisag unsay mo itanom. Kadako man ang laterya. Pwede pa ka makabaho, pwede pa ka makabuhi o ganang manok, mga Bisaya para anytime pwede ka mukaon. Manok ya sa ulan mo kapayas, lami kay na sa tinula or kanang lang-halang. Pwede pa ka magbuhig baboy. So muli nakalami og mag-farming ka guys. Nya kini nga location duol ra kay ni siya sa public market sa Corelia. Nya duol ra po ni siya sa Tagbilaran. Mo say advantage ani. Nya ayang size 12,000 square meter or 1.2. So 1.2 hectares. Good size na kay siya ni along the road. Way problema sa tubig, kuryente ana. Ready na ang tubig ug kuryente. Wala problema anytime pwede ka mag-build sa imong balay diri ka nang ganahan imong nga design. Kay kaning balay ani kuan naman ni wala man ni kwenta. Kuan naman ni siya. Kanang naay nadaot na bagay nipa ra mo siya. Native ra siya mao na nga anytime pwede ra ka mag-build ani kanang ganahan imong nga design. Ang nindot kay ang terrain sa yuta. Buildable kayo, 100% buildable, 100% flood free, nanay tubig, nanay kuryente, kusog pud ang signal sa wifi ug sa data. So wa jud kay problema dere. May kayo. May Yung location peaceful kayo. Quiet and peaceful. Nindot kayong location. Kalami. Bisag unsay mong itanom ani pwede kay ang yuta tambo kayo. Fertile kayong soil. Thank you guys, thank you. So this is the property containing the lot area of 1,200 square meter. This is 1.2 hectares, and this is a title property. It's along the barangay road, as you can see. So that is the boundary, and also this is the frontage. It's already fenced by metal matting, and also there is a gate. So I'll show you inside the property, guys. This is along the barangay road. So there is a caretaker ongoing cleaning the area. So the boundary of this property is this banana. Okay, so inside the property there is a guava. So this is a farmland property, and also there is a another banana. So this nice property, good for farming, good for residential, for any commercial, because this is along the barangay road, and this is also very close to the public market or poblacion of Corelia. Going to highway from here, that is only a 4 minutes drive, and also if you're going to public market of Corelia or poblacion, church, schools, that is only a 6 minutes drive. If you're going to Tagbilaran City, mall, hospital, bank, or seaport, or big supermarket in Tagbilaran, that is only a 22 minutes drive. And also if you're going to Panglao Airport, and also White Sand Beaches Hotel and Panglao, that is only a 42 minutes drive. So this is a potential, not far. It's very close to the major establishment. This is good for farming, and you can build your farmhouse here. And also there's a jackfruit, as you can see. This is the fruit bearings, and also there is what we call this one is dragon fruit. This one is a dragon fruit. Wait, nasa a bird. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The name of this bird, guys, is alimokon. Alimokon. So this house is considered no value, because this is only a native house, and there is damage. The roof is damaged because it's only a nipa. It's made of nipa, and also made of bamboo, the wooling. So but there is already connection of water and also the electricity. So the electric and water is already existing. So no problem about the connection of water and also the electric. So this is the water, guys. Show you. Oh, very strong. Look at that. Very strong water connection. So this is the boundary of this property here until there. And also this is inside of the property. So the water is very strong connection. You have no problem about the water, and also the electric is ready. Unsa ni nga biyabas migo, imported or kuan nit? Ha?
Biyabas Bisaya ra.
Ha?
Bisaya.
Bisaya ra nga sa nga biyabas. Kini murag atis no?
Oo.
Kini unsam ni siya kini? Isa.
Miracle fruit.
Ay, miracle fruit din eh. So this is a miracle fruit, guys. And also this is only a Bisaya nga guava, atis. Okay. So ang kuryente ani amigo, ay problema?
Wala lagi, opera na breaker na kay nagbuklot bang.
Wala na nimo gamita.
Pero wala ko na putlay sa buhiko kay bayad na.
So updated ang bill ani.
Wala na gamita lagi.
Mm.
Wala daw ay putlot ani pa, pero daw tong mga
Bitaw. So the electric connection is no problem. Gi-off lang ni siya kay wala na siya gamita, but updated the billing every month is updated. So this is the house. So you can build your farmhouse or dream house here. This is a good size, containing the lot area of 12,000 square meter. This is a title property. This is a 1.2 hectares. And this is unsa asa nagikan nga Lumboy migo?
Manila, parikan na.
Manila ra ni. Pero kuan no, murag imported no?
Giant Lumboy bitaw na.
Giant Lumboy.
Dagkong bunga ba?
Oh, dagkog. So kuan ni siya, naka-harvest na gani kapila. Okay, so nay mga lumboy, guys. Oh. Isa, duha, tulo na pa na dito. Nya kiri pod siya. Kuan ni. Kanang naay tawag lansunes. So lansunes nya kini pod apel na sulod ni siya. This is included of property that banana. Lami kini siya ng agon. Na-appeal na siya, amigo? Ano? Okay. So the property, this is the only the boundary, the house. So from start here until there, there's semi hills, small hills. So that you see that trees that is included of the property. So here where I'm standing is only a flat, and there is a portion of small hills going there, small hills. So this one is Lanzones, and this is a Giant Lumboy. So I'll show you the other side of the property. So this is the back of the house. So there is also sili. This one, it looks like a sili. It's different sili. I guess this is imported. So you can make a garden here. So that is the boundary, guys. There's a matting fence until there. Okay. So this is the back of the house, and also you have a good soil. It's potential for farming, very fertile. Look at the grass, the plants, and also the fruit bearings is so taba, tambok, and there is a banana. Look at that. And also you can put your livestock here, chickens, piggery, or anything. There's also a coconut tree, and also this one is it's another fruit bearings. And there's a Gimelina tree. There's also a mango tree. And this one before they have a piggery here, but during the super typhoon of Odette, the roof is damaged, but anytime you can restore this one. So this side is good for piggery area, and here you can farm. So there's another mango tree. So I'll show you at the other side, at the back. So this one is a part of the property until there. So this is potential for farming. Small size, 12,000 square meter or 1.2 hectares. So here is like a plot, and there's like a semi slope. So this is a good terrain. So this is part of the property, guys, this one. So as you can see there is a banana, and also the coconut tree. That is the boundary of the property. This is look like letter L, the size of the property. So this is the property. Here is like almost a flat terrain. It's a good size. You can farm here. You have a good fertile soil. Look at that. It's nice. See? So this is the property. You can see that banana, that is also included of the property. And also you see that one, trees. There is hardwood trees, Gimelina, coconut trees is part of the property. And also this is a cassava. Look at that, is also part of the property. So this is only 1.2 or 12,000 square meter, and this is a title property along the barangay road. Potential, good for farming, good for residential. You can build here your vacation home, because you know this is very close to Tagbilaran City. Tagbilaran City, the next town is Corelia. So very close to the public market, church, schools, and also to the Tagbilaran City. So this is a potential. If you are looking good for farming, small size, 1.2 hectares or 12,000 square meter, so you can consider this one. This is the property, guys. Look at that. So nice terrain. It's flat, almost flat, and this is buildable, and 100% buildable, and 100% flood free. The good thing is along the barangay road, and you can build your dream home, vacation home, or farmhouse. And also you can put your livestock here, or you can still farming, because the soil is very good fertile. You see? So this is the property. So now, if you are interested about this property, you can message me directly via my email and also my WhatsApp. And if you want to know more about this property, the full details of this property, you can find below of this video at the description section. And If you are interested, don't hesitate to message me. I am very happy to assist you guys. My name is Rolando Uyanguren from Bachelor's Realty. I am your property specialist. I am very happy to assist you guys. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Stay tuned for the next video.